Hi everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video we're gonna be talking about verticals and niches. So first let me little bit tell you the difference between a vertical and niche. Sometimes people get a bit confused. Well, I was confused in the beginning. See, when you get into networks, there is gonna be categories. These are called categories, or these are also called verticals. People say niche is something that is very specific in a particular category or vertical. Like in BZOP offer, let's say for example, in BZOP category or BZOP vertical, there is going to be Brit method. This is trading niche. And there is going to be make money online niche. There is going to be survey niche. So these are niche. So niche, very specific thing inside a vertical. Niche is very narrow. Vertical is very broad. So under vertical there are niches or sub-vertical or whatever it is. So this is the difference between vertical and a niche. So what are the sort of verticals we can promote, or what are the sort of niches we can promote if we say that? Once you get into the network, there is going to be 20 verticals, and all the verticals got plenty of offers to promote. You're not going to be running out of offers to promote. Some networks, cash networks got more BZOP opportunity to promote, and from their BZOP there is a lot of trial BZOP offers. You can try to promote the trial one. So in cash network, a lot of trial BZOPs there. In some networks there are more muscle trials there. In different networks might be famous for different verticals. So anyway, in general, let's talk about a bit more verticals. So there are like 20-25 verticals in that you could promote. Now my tip is, do not go into 4 or 5 vertical at the same time. I would say to begin with, try out one vertical, promote and master it. In all the vertical, people are making money. In all the vertical, you have to start from somewhere, anywhere. So try it out, promote like crazy, master it, and then move on to the next vertical. Or you can do 2 vertical at the same time. It does take up a lot of your time because we have to know a little bit about the market and the market trends, how the market is responding. So that's why it's a lot less headache if we start with one. Within the vertical, you have a lot of offers. You are never going to run out of offers. Try to promote the offers that have less fields, something to keep in mind. Easy fields for your user to fill up so that you can get the quick commission. Now some verticals are more competitive than the other verticals, like there is a heavy competition on muscle vertical, health vertical. That doesn't mean you do not join in the competition. Well, there is a lot of competition, but we always have room to make money in any vertical. And like anything in life, this is sort of education. You will be needing some practice. You will be needing some campaigns under your belt before you start making money. You might be profitable in your first campaign, or like me, it might take you 7-8 campaigns to make good ROI, or it might take lesser time, or it might take more time. But the thing is, we have to learn it. So in the beginning, you can stay away from financial vertical. This convert, but because the payout is so high, we need little bit more money for them to test out. So if you're not having massive amount of budget for test campaign, I would stay out of there. Insurance is something that you can start with having some sort of experience. I'm not saying you not to go there. It's just to stay away from the beginning. Easy verticals and niches would be a survey offer, the simple game offers, simple ones, dating offers which are not very complicated, which do not have like 2, 3, 4 pages of forms to fill out. It's easy ones as well. Dating's got good competition, but everybody can make money. I mean, we all have room to make money out of it. And competition is healthy because that offer is working, that verticals are working, and something for you to look out for. One thing to keep in mind when we are diving onto the vertical is with human psychology, normally people always want to look good. People always want to make more money. People always want to attract the opposite sex. The people love playing games and they are always ready to solve the problems that they are having. So people always they want to look good. They want to stay fit. They want to look slim. They want to feel great. They want to feel more confident. They want to stay in shape. Girls wants to look fitter. Guys want to put muscles on. So they want to look good. People want to make more money. You could try out that vertical. Everybody wants to grow rich. They are fed up and tired and fed up of doing their day job 9 to 5, and they are looking for a easier lifestyle. They want to take vacation, spend time with their loved ones. They will always want to make money, and people always want to attract their opposite sex. So these verticals, they will always have traffic. Until the end of time, they will always have traffic. There are millions and millions of people, they love to play games. So when you are considering verticals, keep in mind that a vertical which gets a lot of traffic is good. There will be competition, but competition is healthy. Look for verticals that is having a lot of traffic, because you will learn the game over there. You can go for other verticals as well, but just keep in mind that your market is having traffic. Whatever vertical or niche you are promoting, that is having traffic in Bing or YouTube, or traffic in general. With that being said, thank you very much for listening to the video, and we'll see you in the next video.